Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a special guest, as you can see. If you guys don't remember, I think it was my first Dollar Tree Slime Challenge? No, I think it was my second Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. He is the dancing monitor kid. I'll insert a clip right here so if you guys know what I'm talking about. He was legit like the star of the whole like video, and you guys really loved him. So I decided to bring him back for the second time in my channel, and this is like a year later, you know. So if you guys don't know what we're doing today, we're doing a try not to add the bad ingredient into the slime. It's basically a twist to a challenge that Rebecca Zamolo created. She created like try not to push the wrong box into the pool. So I decided to do that, but with the twist, and decided to use slime. So I have two bad ingredients in front of me. I have beans and I have a bath bomb and one good ingredient. And the good ingredient is like the paint. And throughout the video, we're going to be like changing the bad ingredients and the good ingredients so you can add those in. And I'm really excited for this. Are you excited for this? Because I'm really excited for this.
I'm excited.
Okay, so let's get started. But wait, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Turn on my post notifications. So yeah, let's get onto the video. Okay, you guys, so while he like puts the stuff in the box, I'm not gonna be able to see because I'm not gonna know what's gonna go in the slime. I'm actually the one that's gonna add the stuff into the slime and then make the polls on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the room for a bit while he puts the stuff in the slime. I really hope I don't choose any bad ingredients. So yeah, I'll be.
So I don't think Abraham thinks I'm dumb enough to put the paint, the yellow paint in the yellow box. So I'm gonna do that. But if he does, beans. And finally, the bath bomb. Alright guys, hopefully you guys know which one's which. I'm gonna mix them up to confuse them. So
okay, you guys, so I'm now back in the room and the slime is right here. We're not gonna make the slime just because slime is so easy to make, but we are gonna add the extras to it. So I'm gonna make you guys decide what box you guys want to add into the thing. So I'm gonna use my phone. Let's line them up and make it all pretty. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna post it on Instagram and ask which box. And then I'm gonna wait for like 10 minutes and see what box you guys want to add into the slime. Okay, you guys, it's been a couple minutes and I have some results in. So let me try to focus this so you guys can see. Okay, so I posted on my story and most of you guys are saying the middle one. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the answer. There's 4 middle ones and 3 of the yellow ones. So we're gonna add the middle one. So I'm really excited to put it. No! Oh, I already know it's gonna melt it. It's the bath bomb, you guys. No! I'm not gonna add a ton. I'm just gonna add probably like 1/4 of it. But I'm gonna regret this so badly just because I already know it's gonna melt it. Why should I add this one? Here. Oh, there you go. That's enough. That's good. Yeah. Because it's gonna melt it. Does it smell good?
It smells delicious.
Oh god, I need the activator. I'm probably gonna need. It's already melting it, you guys. Here, let me do a close up for you guys. So I added not the activator, the bath bomb in there, you guys, and look at it's already. Can you feel it? Feel it. Feel it.
Whoa, that's.
It's getting liquidy already, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so here's how the slime turned out with the bath bomb added in it, and it's so weird. It didn't melt, but it turned like a rubber type of thing, and I've never had like an experience with the bath bomb and like a slime together, so it's really weird. So now I'm gonna put these two on my Instagram to see which one you guys want to put in next. Okay, you guys, so I asked you guys on Instagram which one you guys wanted, either the orange or yellow, and you guys picked orange, so I'm gonna go for the orange now. And then the last one that's left, I'm gonna add that one too. What do you guys think is gonna be? Comment down below if you guys think it's either gonna be the paint or the bean. You guys have 5 seconds to comment down below what thing is gonna be in here. So yeah, let's take the 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the thing that's in here is the bean. Oh, this slime is gonna be a mess. Should we add all of them? No.
No, that's too many beans.
Okay. I don't even think they're gonna be able to hold the stuff in there because it's not even sticky anymore because of the
bath bomb.
The bath bomb. Ah. Oh god. They're not sticking. Oh god.
What a mess.
That's that slimy, guys. So
I'm gonna look around the room and see what I can put in the slime. 2 bad things and 1 good thing. There's a lot of stuff in here. How about glitter. That's the good thing. Let's put the glitter in the yellow one. The ice cream in the pink one. And the foam in the orange. And like before, I'm gonna mix them up so it gets confused. Alright. Stupid.
okay, you guys, so I'm back, and now for this time I'm not gonna put polls, but now I'm gonna go live on my Instagram and ask you guys which one you guys want to do. So I'm gonna go live and let's see. Are you ready to go live with me? I'm gonna choose my mystery slime box to go into the slime. Hello. Thank you. I love you too. How are you? You want to be in the video?
Sure.
Say hi to the camera. Your name's Isabella, right?
Yes.
You want to choose a slime box for the slime in our video. So there's either a bad ingredient or a good ingredient in one of these boxes.
Okay.
Okay, which one do you want to choose?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. Do you want to open it with us or you want to wait till the video to find out what's in here?
We can open it now.
Okay. So I didn't choose these ingredients, my nephew did, so I don't know what's in here either. Oh my gosh. There's my favorite squishy in here. I'm gonna have to chop it up. It's one of these little smooshy mooshies. I'm gonna have to go now because I have to film. But thank you so much for like talking to me.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
So now I'm gonna add the last 2 remaining mystery boxes. And the yellow one, it contains glitter, you guys. Oh, this is cute glitter. So I'm gonna add some glitter in here. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And remember to go ahead and follow my Spanish channel. I know you guys don't know what it is. I think some of my first followers know what it is. I made a Spanish channel, so go ahead and follow that if you speak Spanish. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.